Hey guys, it's Daniel again, and I am once again not using a mic. Why am I not using a mic? Because I'm playing guitar today. And for some reason, when I play guitar, the mic doesn't pick it up very well. So, yeah, if you hear something like that, it's my cats. So, recently I got a sound hole pickup put into my Taylor. And I've just been fiddling around with it up until open mic night, which should be tomorrow night, assuming if I'm not exhausted. I got things to do tomorrow, so I will be exhausted. I got the sound hole pickup put in because the past 3 times I went to open mic night, I had a lousy set. First night I went with my Oscar Schmidt, ended up with a rubber band tone. Second night I bring my Taylor without the sound hole pickup, and spoiler alert, this thing doesn't plug in. Long story short, I had to use a backup. Third night, I take James, my R.W. Jameson, and I just had so many tone problems with it. So I finally caved and got this off Amazon. Yes, I've had issues with Amazon in the past, but this one, not an issue. Just what I needed. It's got good tone. Gets crunchy pretty good, apparently. Didn't I expect that? So yeah, this video is just to show off this pickup. Let's get to it. Okay. Oh, by the way, the amp I'm going through, as I usually go through, is a Line 6 Spider 3. Not to be confused with the Spider 2. Spider 2s are crap. First I'm going to show you the guitar without the volume, which, if you've seen previous videos, you should know what it sounds like. Okay, now I'm going to turn the volume up to 1. The gain will be at 7. And now I'm going to show you what really surprised me. The crunch. Nom, 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 nom. Crunch it has me, Captain. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. I may need to back up a little bit, so give me a minute. Anyway, that's my video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you didn't like the video, that's okay. That's your opinion. And before I go, I'm not going to be posting anything tomorrow. I've got an errand to run and gotta take care of the house. But I'll be back Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So, I'll see you when I see you. Later.